Hey, welcome to the Educated Affiliate. And today we are going to talk about something incredibly exciting that's going on with the Partner with Anthony program. Now, I always say I'm not a guru, but I partner with one, and that's true. And I meet with them every Thursday night along with a bunch of other people. The insight that education has given me and has given the rest of the group has been unparalleled, not only in knowledge, and your ability to gain insight into different strategies, different techniques, different ways to build an affiliate marketing business online. A lot of people offer that. There's a lot of great programs out there. But when you're in with the guys in the know, you get access to the stuff in the know quicker than everyone else. And being a part of this group, the Partner with Anthony group, for about 6 months, well, about maybe 4 months now. I was able to get in on a sort of a beta test that's going to be available to all Partner with Anthony subscribers next year, probably come January, and it's a game changer. It just absolutely is a game changer for those of you that aren't influencers, don't like to do YouTube, certainly don't like to write content, maybe are learning Facebook ads and that kind of a thing, paid ads. This is absolutely a game changer. And just remember, as they always say, the money is in the list. And any affiliate marketing successful guru person that I've talked to, will always go back to that. Will always say that. And so I'm just going to sort of go through with you real quickly what Partner with Anthony is all about and the ecosystem. I've talked about it before. You can go check out the ecosystem that I've discussed up there in the corner. I'll put a link to it there on another video that I've done. But this is the inside of the program, and these are all the different um, uh, offers that Anthony Morrison has, and that you can learn from, but also that you can earn commission from. So when you come in with Partner with Anthony, it's only $7. $7 a month, or $97 for life. $7 a month, you can get in and do the initial Partner with Anthony program, which is this program here, which is 39 or 30 sessions. It's a whole month, day by day, and you're going to take about maybe 45 minutes to an hour a day, sometimes shorter, sometimes maybe a little bit longer. So you can spend $7 and get all this information out of it and quit if you want. But what that gives you access to is all these other programs. And if you become an ambassador, anyone that comes into the Partner with Anthony ecosystem and purchases any products, you're going to get commissions for. I've gone through that in detail in another video. I'm not going to go through it here. What I want to talk about and what's unbelievably exciting is the new program that's coming in as of next year. We're testing it out now, and it's called Clickly. It's a wholesale email program, which is absolutely, it's undeniably a game changer for those of us that aren't big influencers or don't have a lot of traffic or are working real hard to get traffic. And basically what we're doing is feeding off their 6 million emails here. We have email credits. We get 2 million. As you can see, I've used 1.2 million. From that, I've garnered 10,000 people on my subscribers list. This is the email marketing system that I use called Robly. It's like GetResponse or Aweber, whatever. And as you can see here, the contacts I have, all that are subscribed, 9,700 contacts total. So, when you first do this, you gain these, and then we've had unsubscribes and invalid email addresses and stuff, so it gets shaved down a bit. But you want to keep it around 10,000. Now, this is my email list. It's over 9,700 people, and I get to email this list freely every day. And it's unbelievable the power of what's going on here. Not to mention that I'm not going to stop here. I can always buy more credits out of these emails. They add about 100 to 200,000 emails subscribers a day with their system, and we get to sort of piggyback on that. Not only that, when you send these emails and you get these opens, if someone clicks on the emails that you send out, which are already prepared for you, all ready to go, then you get paid 10 cents. So you can actually just send out clicks or send out emails just to get clicks and get guaranteed money if you want. Or you can then turn around and use this to support, ClickBank, support your partner with Anthony, support any other affiliate network that you want to support, or even your own products, whatever you want to do. So really, truly a game changer. It's going to be available in the Partner with Anthony system in about a month, I guess, about the beginning of next year. And I just want to, I know that's kind of a 30 days away or so, but I just want to remind you that, because I was already in partner with Anthony, and what I talked about in the beginning is that, we get all the inside scoop, all the inside info. I mean, we're online with Anthony Morrison every Thursday night, the Success Connection. And if you want to join, like I said, it's $7. The link is right below. Just click on that link or click and book a call with me, and we'll talk about it even more if you need more information. I'm always available to do that. But because I was Partner with Anthony, I was exposed to this offer. And now I'm one of the initial beta testers using this offer. And I'm telling you, I've got investment dollars. I'm a businessman. I am going to grow my list like in a matter of 6 months to about 100,000. And it's going to be a lifetime game changer for me. So anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. We can't get to Clickly right now. The offer's coming out in January, but you can get to Partner with Anthony, and that's where you need to be. So I hope I see you inside. Give me a call. Click and get involved with Power with Anthony, the Success Connection tomorrow night. You can be on with him for an hour, find out all more about this stuff, and let's get going. I mean, it is a real deal. All right, take care.